I'm gonna give you the back tire and the hit. I'm gonna give you the back tire and the hit.
You have to.
And then I'm gonna let you kind of get a little roll on, and then I'm gonna smash my gas. I'm gonna let you do all that. I'm gonna let you do all. I'm gonna wait until your tires get one whole rotation, and then I'm gonna go.
Don't get it twisted, that motherfucker twisted.
Yeah.
Fast as fuck, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna give. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna give him on this side right here. This thing here getting it. Yeah. Welcome to the Disney Street Racing Channel. Look out, look out. This BMW finna do something, y'all. Okay, right lane. Dang, I hope. Oh, is that the dude with the Infinity? I just told him he could ride with me. Did he make it back that fast? Let me see. Oh yeah, that's them. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh shit. There you go. Oh, hey, you ready? You ready? You ready? For the people that's watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. We live right now. Got it in high definition. Look where yeah, we got it in high definition, y'all. I sure want all my TikTok people to come on over. Okay, Toe Man say he got me on both. Appreciate it. So man, can you see a difference on YouTube? The difference in the quality? This in Texas. I thought he was gonna do better than that. I'm finna pull up right now.
Let's go down the track.
Alright, bet. I'm finna go and pull mine up. Alright, bet. Alright, y'all, we finna go get this Caprice. All my people that's on TikTok. Let me see, I got my phone mount inside the Caprice, y'all. It got a supercharge on it. So, I'm gonna put this phone mount up and I'm gonna be live on this so all my people on TikTok, man, if y'all wanna watch me get his car, the back tire and the hit, and let his wheels at least go in one full rotation and then go catch them, yeah, I think y'all need to get on there on my YouTube channel. Oh, a GTR, I could whoop him probably. Ooh. I wonder if they still, ooh, that air feels so good, boy. God damn. Hey, you still going?
Yeah. Hey, move my shit up.
Come on with it, come on with it. I might just let him hold the camera, y'all.
I'm finna ride with him.
There you go. You gotta hold the camera. When we take off, you gotta make sure this don't do like that now.
I bet. I got you. I bet.
Yeah.
Who you going against?
I don't know. I think I was supposed to go against that Beamer. I would like to run that GTR. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, man, whoever pull up here. I don't know. I think somebody was gonna come try to race me. I think it was that BMW. I don't know who it was, man. Or whoever wants some, let them come. That RP is good.
They saying GTR.
Oh, they saying that GTR.
Oh God.
Hey, tell that GTR to come on.
Money
See if
wrong.
that GTR want to do something.
You trying to run him?
Yeah, I want trying to run it.
The red one?
Yeah, that red one.
Hey, we racing now?
Yeah, I'm finna go. I wish you was over here. I'll let you ride. I'll let you ride, man, if you was coming over here. Okay, ready to ride? Let me see what he gonna do. Man, I'm ready for that.
This one nigga said GTR gonna run your money.
Oh yeah? That mother running like that?
He said he trying to do a money run.
Oh, he trying to do it? Oh, nah, I ain't finna. Nah, I need a tune before I race him. Tell him next week, money run. Next week, I get right on his ass.
Hey, race the GTR.
Tiene miedo.
Oh, yeah, I don't care about no side lane, Charlie.
The Beamer.
Alright, I'm finna give it to him. Oh, damn, that's that bad motherfucker. Damn, I should have did a better burn down. Now I thought I was racing some bullshit. I'm racing against this badass BMW with the turbos on. Let me turn the AC off now. This shit done got serious. You ready?
Look out, race.
Look out, look out.
Look out, race.
He on my channel too, y'all. Damn, y'all, here it go.